Okay, this is what the hype is all about. Snap, sell, succeed. This is a condensed abbreviation of all my work in 20 years in the business on how somebody can get into the business and make money for themselves through the market. From selling anything, pictures and videos from feet to other body parts. This is like a handbook that will take you from creating content to actually getting it online and getting you paid for your content. So I'll leave a description at the bottom with the link where you can get a copy for yourself and go through it. If you can't get the physical copy, please get the digital version online so you can go through it yourself and see how you can make a substantial income on the side from your content. So have a great day, and I look forward to helping you. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know and I can help you to set things up and get you rolling. But first, get a copy.